Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E with coconut oil. This powerful duo offers fantastic benefits for your skin. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant, protecting your skin from damage, while coconut oil provides deep hydration and nourishment. Together, they can improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of scars, and leave your skin feeling wonderfully soft and smooth. Now, let's prepare your mixture. You'll need pure vitamin E oil, which you can find in capsules or liquid form, and virgin coconut oil. If using capsules, simply puncture one with a clean pin to release the oil. Then, mix 1 part vitamin E oil with 2 parts melted coconut oil. This ratio ensures a balanced and effective blend for your skin. Applying this mixture is simple. First, ensure your skin is clean and dry. Take a small amount of the blend and gently massage it onto the desired area, like your face, hands, or any dry patches. Remember to apply a thin, even layer to prevent a greasy feeling. For best results, incorporate this nourishing treatment into your routine 2 to 3 times each week. Before regular use, always perform a patch test on a small skin area to check for any sensitivity. Store your vitamin E and coconut oil mixture in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. Be careful to avoid contact with your eyes and other sensitive membranes. If you experience any persistent irritation or have specific skin concerns, it's always wise to consult a dermatologist.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.